Good morning, my dear kids. Hope you all are fine and studying well at your home. Kids, I know you all are very brave and you all take care of yourselves. Kids, today we are going to learn about freedom fighters. Yes, today we will meet freedom fighters of India. Freedom fighters, do you know what is meant by freedom fighters? Yes, the people who fought for the freedom of our nation, our country, that is for our people. They are very brave and we should always love them and salute them, and for their bravery we call them freedom fighters of India. The first freedom fighter is Surya Sen. Surya Sen. Surya Surya Sen Sen, also known as Master Da and Tiger of Bengal. He fought against the British movement and he helped our people in getting freedom against the British rule. Surya Sen was teacher by profession and he was popularly known as Master Da. So, the first freedom fighter is Surya Sen. Next freedom fighter is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Mahatma Gandhi. He fought against British rule for India's independence and he employed non-violent resistance to lead the successful campaign for India's independence against British rule. So kids, the second freedom fighter we learned today is Mahatma Gandhi. The next freedom fighter is Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Sarojini Naidu. She was poet and politician of modern India, also known as the Nightingale of India. She was an important figure in India's struggle for independence from colonial rule. So, the third freedom fighter we have learned is Sarojini Naidu. The fourth freedom fighter of India is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji Netaji Subhash Subhash Chandra Bose Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He was the founder of Indian National Army and his slogan "Give me blood and I will give you freedom" is very popular among all of us. Subhash Chandra Bose was an Indian nationalist whose patriotism made him a hero in India. So, the fourth freedom fighter we learn today is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. The fifth freedom fighter we are going to learn today is Shahid Bhagat Singh, popularly known as Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Bhagat Singh Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was an Indian socialist whose two acts of dramatic violence against British in India at the age of 23 made him a folk hero of the Indian independence movement. So, the fifth freedom fighter we have learned today is Bhagat Singh. The last and the sixth freedom fighter that we are going to learn today is Rani Lakshmi Bai. Yes, popularly known as Queen of Jhansi. Jhansi ki Rani also. So kids, she was such a brave woman who fought against British and became a brave freedom fighter of India. So the last freedom fighter we have learned today is Queen of Jhansi, Lakshmi Bai. We should always respect our freedom fighters and give a huge salute to them all. So we have learned today about Surya Sen, Mahatma Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Shahid Bhagat Singh, and Rani Lakshmi Bai, Queen of Jhansi. So kids, today we are so happy to learn about our brave Indian freedom fighters, and we love them a lot, and we love our country India also. So we should always respect our freedom fighters, and we should never forget the sacrifice they had made for us. Thank you everybody.